Making some cornbread. You know, this is the first time I've ever made cornbread somehow because it's what my grandma, mom did. I never made cornbread in my life, so this is my first time. Let's see what I can do.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
So I've already got the mix here, all mixed up, ready to go. We're going to be putting the mixture into a cupcake pan because I like my cornbread crispy and small. So I have no clue how this is going to turn out. I just kind of threw it together, added a little extra flavor love with some little Holy Trinity. I like it a little spicier and less sweet. Cornbread being sweet is not generally the way I like mine. I prefer mine to be a little savory. I've got to say, it's a little messier than I thought it would be. Drips more than I thought. Oh, keeping everything together is definitely an art form. Okay, so I've got the oven heated up to 425, preheated 425, and let's see how these cornbread little mini cakes turn out. These aren't cornbread muffins technically because they are not going to be sweet. This is just regular cornbread at a smaller scale. All right, let's put these in for 25 minutes and see how they look. Let's check back and we'll see how they are in 25. Alright, it's time to pull these bad boys out of the oven. Let's see if we're gonna have a success or a failure. I'm excited. Gotta get the oven mitt on. Oh, alright, here's the moment of truth. Okay, so put some of these in the little wrappers for cupcakes, and then some of them I just put butter over, and oh, those come out very nice and easy. Okay, so it's going to be the moment of truth. Let's see if this comes off the paper. Oh, no. It's a little harder. Maybe if I let it cool down, it'll come off easier. Sticking a lot more there. So, pretty looking nice. Less pretty hot. Maybe if we let it cool down over here, they'll come out easier. So we'll try that. But so far, lesson learned, I think just greasing up these little cupcake holes with butter worked out better so far. But we'll let it cool down and see how it works out in a bit. Ultimate moment of truth is here. We gotta taste it and see how it is. I'm a little nervous. Start with a crumbly one over here. It already broke apart. Ooh, it feels like a souffle and fluffy almost. Ooh, look at all that steam come out. That's really hot. Ow. Ooh. Very hard to even get a snacky taste of it. All right, here we go. A little crust in the end, a little piece of corn in there. Wow, there's just so much steam coming off of it. Okay, we'll try to give a bite out of this thing and hopefully not burn my mouth. Tastes very much like cornbread. Let's try this one. It came out prettier. I definitely prefer the flavor and texture of this one because it got that nice crust along the edge. So I'm saying the winner is to grease the pan with butter and cook it in there and don't cook it in the cupcake little wrappers. Very nice.
NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.